Welcome back to the channel for another Ohio's first Buc-ee's construction update in Huber Heights. Today is Saturday, January 24th, 2026.
We're standing on Arts Road across the street from what will be the entrance to the new Buc-ee's. It's 12 degrees out here.
Yes, it is. A little windy.
Why are we doing this outside,
I
Sonia?
have no idea.
You want to get back in the car?
Yes, I do.
Let's do that.
Let's do that.
Okay, we're back in the car.
It's a nice warm car.
Whose idea was to do that outside?
That was yours.
Well, the big news from last week, since we did our last update video, is the grand opening has now been announced. It's going to be April 6th, which is the Monday after Easter Sunday. It's supposed to be at 6 a.m. in the morning. I expect it's going to be pretty busy down here. So let us know in the comments if anyone out there is planning on being here for the grand opening.
We will be here.
The other big news for today, a very large winter storm moving our way. They call it, Sonia, winter storm?
Winter Storm Fern.
So there's all kinds of reports out there about different snowfall amounts, at least in our area. And we've seen anywhere from 8 to 12 to 6 to 10 to 4 to 8. So we'll have it all figured out when it's over. But it is supposed to be a bad one. A lot of snow and a lot of cold right here in Ohio. They're supposed to get about 8 to 12 inches at this location here where they're building the Buc-ee's. But it's a very wide storm that's going to reach all the way down south, and it looks like some of the people down south are going to get a lot of ice, which, you know, we'll take a foot of snow any day over any amount of ice because we've had that before, and it's no fun when the power goes out and it's the middle of winter and the storm's going on. So hopefully all of our viewers down south will dodge that bullet and the ice storm won't be too bad for them. By the time you're watching this video, this storm will be past and it'll all be over and everyone will know how it turned out. So go ahead and drop in the comments where you're from and how the storm fared for you where you live. If you got a lot of snow and how much, or if you got ice, and hopefully that's not the case, but just go ahead and let us know in the comments how the storm played out for you guys. As far as this week's construction update, some of the Buc-ee's logos, most of the Buc-ee's logos have been installed on the fuel pump islands. There's only one left to be installed. They haven't yet put the signs up on the building yet on the 3 entrance locations. The large 125-foot tall sign still yet to be installed. There's a lot of vehicles in the parking lot, so we're guessing that there's a whole lot of work going on in the inside of the building right now, especially just about 10 weeks away from the grand opening.
That's where I'd want to be working today inside.
Yeah. The small utility building in the back of the property is completely covered in plastic now.
Yeah.
Another thing to note, a lot of the light poles have been installed, especially around the perimeter of the building on the sidewalks. You can see that in the video or the drone video. The concrete has now been poured at the main entrance right across from Arts Road, also leading up to that little electrical utility area. Well, that's going to do it for today. Thank you for joining us. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to hit that hype button.
Please go ahead and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
We'll see you down the road, and you enjoy the rest of the video.
Okay, last week at the Shell station, the sign said left turn exit is allowed. And this week, the sign's been changed to say left turn upon exit reopen. Here's a look at the retail store. You can see they've got the light poles installed along the sidewalk on the perimeter of the building. This is the area where the underground fuel storage tanks have been buried. This area next to it could be the location for the EV chargers. We're going to keep an eye on this area to see if that's what this is for. This is the south entrance. You can see they've got the concrete poured. Also have some concrete poured up to that electrical area. This is a look at the intersection of State Route 235 and Interstate 70. This is State Route 235 in front of the Buc-ee's construction site.